Hello everyone, my name is ENOS. I'm a student at the Indonesia Christian University. Every morning I go to campus 6 week every morning. I wake up 5 a.m. to cook vegetable rice for late on campus. Coming home from campus of 5 p.m. I want to go to my place in the boarding house. At the boarding house, I do first get amenities to keep my body healthy. After that, I'm learning to read a lot of books to review material in lectures. I also heard all every night next to meet boarding house for an expression way friends we are here. In the afternoon because I also go for a fencing world with a friends part. I am also dance every day at the boarding house. Every Sunday morning I jog with my brother and sister. I also like the waiting TikTok while my friends who are there early in the morning. 5. I take public transportation in Jakarta to go to campus. Every Saturday, I play badminton in the place in Jakarta. I sleep at 11 at night because I also do my assignments and while having out with my friends. At 10 o'clock, I went the directors so the can be work the next day. I call my parents in the morning, night or the and in the evening to ask how my parents in the village.